You guys don't understand how like so excruciating it is to like have this freaking light here. Like literally, it's like so freaking hot. Like I'm literally sweating and my eyes are literally about to just give up on me. Literally, but this right here, this light, it gives me power, but it's so freaking hot. Like I'm sweating, literally.
Easy go, let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go.
It's your girl Jules here today, and today we're gonna do a festival look because a lot of you wanted to do festival, and Coachella just passed by, so there's a lot of festivals coming up. There's the Governor Island, I heard there's a beer festival, there's a lot of festivals, so we're gonna do like a little festival look. And yeah, I already did like most of my makeup because we're just gonna focus on the colorfulness of a lot of festivals, and I believe festivals are more like the colorful part of, you know. So we're gonna do the eyeshadows and just make this colorful and festival-y as we can. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and hit that bell button to be notified whenever I post videos. So without further ado, let's start this look. You can see I already started this eye, and I got this color from ColourPop, and it's called Two Piece. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep grabbing the palette. Like eyeshadow is like magnetic, so we're gonna keep grabbing this color because I love this color. I love blue in general in my eye. Don't know why, but I do. We're just gonna put it all over. I think after this I'm just gonna do like voiceover, or just you're just gonna look at it because it's really getting hot and my eyes are hurting because of the fucking light. I don't know why, but it is. But let's see how I feel. Ooh, just blue though. I love this blue. I don't want it to be like a harsh blue because I just want like a pastel-y blue. We can darken this blue if you want to. You can. But do I choose to? No, I don't. So yeah, we're just gonna keep playing with it, and oh, I really do love this blue. Like I said, festival look, so you can do like looking like a little contour type of thing. Ooh, no. I just brush it off. I'll fix that. But yeah, we can just do it like right here in the inner corners. Yeah, fluff it out. And then I will be back because I need to take that off ASAP. Like I think I brushed it too much, but I'll be back because I want to fix this area right here. So yeah, I'll be right back. So now to make it look a little bit fiery, because I do want to make it fiery, I'm going to use a My Naked Heat palette, Wild Things, and Hiatus on the bottom of the eyes. So just like give that fiery look that I want. Oh my god, yes. That fiery look under there. And it doesn't matter if you mix it in with the blue, because it will look really cute. But I'm going to get more of the wild thing. So I can give it a little bit pop. Like you see this little bit pop, and then with it on it, just brush it. I'm literally looking at this little tiny mirror. And with this brush, you can go into like the inner corners. This is a Morphe M330 brush. I got it from the collection. It's not a collection, it's basically they send it each month. So you can do that. And just continue to intensify it. If you do, you can dip into the blue and like give it a little blue. The little tiny blue thing going on. I'm gonna do this. Keep brushing it. Ooh. And then I believe I'm gonna do this eye, and I'll be back to show you which color I use for the inner corners, which is cute. So, I usually don't do this, but since it's a theme of, you know, festival, we're gonna go to the Huda Beauty palette. This is the Desert Dust palette, and we're gonna use Retrograde because Retrograde has like that color that you probably is going to see in a festival. Like it has a hint of purple, a hint of, I think it's like a blue, a holographic like blue. So we're just gonna put that on there, and we're gonna put it on our nose. You know, we have to like give that little tiny glow. We did it over here already. I think I'm gonna do it in the corners. Also, give that like I said, that little glow on there. And I think I'm gonna, I don't know, I just want it to be a little bit of iridescent look. So we're gonna do everywhere where we highlighted. Oh, we highlighted to the gorge, and then we're gonna do right here. We want to be like a pinky. If you can see that. Ooh, yes. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I know it's a little bit of a messy look, but Coachella is a result of a mess. Even though you go through like a lot of organizing for clothes, organizing for makeup, organizing for just a lot of things, just know you're gonna be getting out of Coachella and any festival a stinking mess because you're gonna be sweating. So to avoid that, just, you know, get colorful shit on your face. Be artistic. Festivals are supposed to be fun and colorful, so enjoy it because you're still gonna come out looking like a sweaty mess. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and yes, hit that bell button to be notified whenever I post videos. I like the fact that I'm zooming in and out of you guys, like seriously, like all up in your screen. But yeah, bye. Okay, so this is the last minute thing, but before I say bye again, comment below what is your favorite song or playlist or whatever in the comments below, like, because I'll be going to these festivals and I'll be hearing my, you know, daddy, which Post Malone. I love him to death. And the 1975 band. That's just the, like, the generalization of it. Like, I love them to death. But yeah, comment below what's your favorite. Want to know, want to interact with me more.